right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 99,561 miles on the odometer, and this thing is insane clean inside and out. You would never know it had these kind of miles on it. If you see any flickering on these screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Shifts nice and smooth. The alignment feels good. That shift's perfect, no issues there whatsoever. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tread looks good. Here on the wheels, you do have a little chip right there. Otherwise, that looks really nice. Date code on the tires, there it is, 2021. Looking at the fender, you do have PPF on that entire front fender, full front bumper, full hood, side mirrors, A-pillar all the way to about right there. And then following that body line there down, you have film, and on the very edge. So full PPF covering all of those high impact hit areas. Looking at the fender, that looks great. Here on the side mirror, couple little impacts on that film. A-pillar, that looks good. Making our way down the door. Now the upper section does not have film. It's just here on this lower side down. Now that's just dirt. It's not a chip, so a little bit of dirt got underneath. Looking at the side steps, those look awesome. They have the little mud flap extension that helps protect the rest of this paint. Gloss black trim, typical swirls from just kind of everyday washing, things like that. The rest of that door looks good. You do have some gashes right there on that plastic. That tread looks good. Shocks look awesome. Wheels in great condition. That is really, really clean so far. All right, looking at that front end, you do have an impact here. It looks like it might have gotten through that film. You're gonna have a few small ones here and there. Those look like they might have got through the film also. It's very subtle though. Looking at that headlight, that's in great condition. A couple impacts on that lower side. All the white though has PPF. You have typical chips on that silver piece. That's really common. So for the mileage, that front end looks really, really good. Especially having that PPF, that's definitely a lifesaver. That flare looks good, wheels look awesome. Side mirror's clean. That looks nice. Typical swirls on that trim. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Very impressed with how clean this thing is. Wheel looks good. Tires look awesome. Got the bed cover. I do see some holes right here. Looks like some flaws there. Not sure what that is. I see it over there. It's almost like something was mounted on it. It's a Ford bed cover though. Taillight looks good. The rear applique, that's in phenomenal condition. Looking Looking at that plastic, little scratch there, a couple small ones. That looks really nice. Back bumper. Looks like some stains on the paint almost. It's very subtle. A little scratch there. Other than that, that is really, really clean. Here on that bed liner, very little wear. I mean, that looks brand new. It's almost like they just drove highway miles on this truck based on the condition of the bed and the body and having full front clip PPF. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really well kept. You can tell this is probably just a highway driven truck because the wear is next to nothing on this interior for the miles. Looking at that, looks good. Tiny little scuff there. Those buttons are nice and clean. I mean, the rest of that panel looks amazing. That trim looks awesome. Got the all-weather mats. The edge of that bolster is beautiful. It is smushed down just a little bit right there from getting in and out. But look at that. I mean, there's really nothing to pick apart on that edge. Upper section looks good. The middle, all of this is really nice. A couple light scuffs there from putting the seatbelt on. Got a little bit of wear on that trim. Got the red racing stripe there, that looks good. Nice and clean. Beautiful interior. You would never know this truck had the miles that it does. A little scuff there. Otherwise, she's looking good. All right, checking out that door panel. That looks brand new. Trim is clean, floor mats look awesome. I don't see any flaws on that bolster whatsoever. Honestly, the seat itself looks brand new. That side, really clean. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash looks perfect. This side is really, really nice. Here on the back right door panel, once again, looks amazing. Got the all-weather mats. The seat back looks good. Here on that bolster, it's nice and clean. Those seats are really nice. Got the inflatable seat belts here. Not really seeing any flaws, honestly. This is the cleanest 100,000 mile truck I've seen in a long time. Very, very nice. All right, scanning through the engine bay here. Battery is from 12 of 24, so it's fairly new. Looks really good. Terminals are nice and clean. Engine bay just looks really good. Beautiful. Very, very nice.